Jesus Christ never claimed at any time, I am God or worship me. On the contrary, he said, my Father is greater than I. He said, my Father is greater than all. John chapter 20 verse 29. He said, I can of my own self do nothing. John chapter 5 verse 30. He said, I can do nothing. God can do everything, anything. Except. Our brother Shorosh was saying that God can become a man. He can do anything. I said, no, he can't do anything. Am I limiting God? I says, no. I am telling you and I challenge people to prove to me that God Almighty, He can create another God. He is uncreated, He can create another uncreated. He is eternal, from the beginning which has no beginning. Now He can create another equal to Him. Where? How? As soon as He creates somebody, He is created. That means He can't create an uncreated. Look, this is common sense. He can't create another God. Can He make another father? There will be two fathers, then He can make a dozen fathers, can't He? So my Hindu cousins are more consistent. They believe in millions of God, anything is God, everything is God. He's more consistent, He's more reasonable. Why are you so unreasonable? You only make one exception. Why shouldn't we have more gods, more sons, physical sons? No, He says, and further, He can't throw me out of His kingdom. This God Almighty. Can He throw you out of His kingdom, out of His dominion? Is there a place outside His dominion where He can throw you out? Can He? He can't. Can you imagine Him throwing you out? Where can He throw you out? He can obliterate you, yes. He can finish you up, yes. But He can't throw you out of His dominion, out of His rule. He can't. Now that doesn't mean He's limited. This is how powerful He is. His dominion extends over the heavens and the earth. Everywhere, whatever you can think or imagine and beyond. So where can He throw you? See, God Almighty does. He can do anything, but what He does are godly things. God must do godly things. He doesn't do monkey tricks.